How are you, students? Well, today I am going to discuss about the nationalism in India. In this chapter, I will talk about the definition of nationalism and the circumstances responsible for the growing of nationalism in our country. Students, in European countries, nationalism was linked with the feeling of nation state icon, symbols, and the boundaries of the communities. But in our country, nationalism was linked with the anti-colonial government. हमारे देश में जो राष्ट्रीयता की भावना जो थी वह ब्रिटिश सरकार के खिलाफ थी। वह जो औपनिवेशिक जो सरकार थी उसके खिलाफ थी। लोग उसके विरुद्ध जागरूक होने लगे। तो इस लिहाजन अगर राष्ट्रीयता जिसको हम नेशनलिज्म कहते हैं, राष्ट्रवाद, नेशनलिज्म को हम इस प्रकार से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। नेशनलिज्म इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ एक्सट्रीम लव इन विच countrymen are ready to sacrifice their life for their own country। यानी राष्ट्रवाद प्रेम की वह प्रकाष्ठा है जिसमें किसी भी देश के लोग अपने देश के लिए मर मिटने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। और उस समय जो परिस्थितियां जो थी भारत में वह लोगों के जनजीवन को अस्त व्यस्त करके रख दिया था। एट दैट टाइम in India, after the First World War, the defense expenditure was increased, custom duties were raised, people were forced to recruit in military, villages were called upon to supply the soldiers. Famine occurred in the different part of the country in which lakhs of people were killed. These circumstances were enough to raise the feeling of nationalism against the anti-colonial rule or the British government. That was why the people in our country gradually got aware about nationalism and went going against the British government. These circumstances were created by the British government. Now, in this volume, I want to stop my speech, but in the next volume, I will explain the different topics of this chapter. Thanks.